Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the AngLink electronic mosquito killer. Wow, electric power against pests, against mosquitoes, against all other liable pests. Dead insects are collected in the tray at the base of the unit. This is a nice function, nice and clean. It uses ultraviolet light to lure light-sensitive insects into an electronically charged grid, destroying them quickly and hygienically. Ideal for use in the home, pet areas, food preparation areas, shops, factories, farms, and so many other places. No chemicals, no foams, no smell, no spray, no trouble. High efficiency with low power consumption. No insecticide or chemical needed. That is nice. Scientifically designed to operate well below the maximum allowable milliamperes with a plastic shield to protect users from touching the internal parts. Attracts and destroys flies, moths, midges, and mosquitoes using ultraviolet light. That is easy to use, easy to handle, and massive power. Let's talk about the measuring. 12.2 inches. These are 30.9 centimeters tall and 4.7 inches. These are 12 centimeters wide, and on the top there is a hanger. Then it comes with a protective outer mag. In the center is an ultraviolet lamp, and the wire is long too. The wire for the electronic is 47.2 inches. These are round about 120 centimeters. And on the bottom side, there is a mosquito tray for there's mosquitoes and all other flying things. Yeah, nice blue lamp, as you can see. Nice light. Yeah, it is cool light. Electronic mosquito killer. It comes with an LED power light in the center, and it is ultraviolet. And the brush, you will become a brush to make clean out. The brush is 13 centimeters to 2.5 centimeters. It has a safety outer mag design, and it's only 6 millimeters tall, so you do not have contact with the inner parts. This is important, and you can use this in all areas inside your house or maybe outside, but there is not so nice to use outside. Maybe it's better to do this in the inside of your house to protect you against the flying insects. Nice and easy to use. Nice light. I think it is really beautiful. So that it is. Only plug it in and then job's done. And you can use the upper parts to hanger it on and then have a chill out. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.